Today I am planning my coming months, and this consists of my yearly, quarterly and weekly reviews also. So I have been journalizing since almost 3.5 years now, and journal plays a very important role in planning yourself better, because that is the only place where you can write yourself and express yourself better. Plus you can go back without any technical glitch. And yes, professionally I use some days Microsoft OneNote, which is a part of Microsoft. You can say a tech savvy and easy to use handy notebook, which you can use through your mobile, Kindle or tabs also. So this is how the OneNote part looks like, and I have divided them in two parts. I had almost 8 to 10 tabs, but my official account was really crashing too badly and I was facing technical glitch, so I have just toned it down to two parts. So I would like to show you that this is how it looks like. This is the OneNote page. It looks like you can have a drawing tab, or you can insert as much of art which you feel like, and also you can add as much of notes if you feel like. So if you connect on this part, you can add as much page as if you want, and you can name it or use it as front. And so this is my professional part. This is how my smart goals look like. Smart goals, I'm sure you must be well aware of. Smart goals, just nothing, is a very common word which means just specific, measurable, attainable, relevant and time bound. So this is how are my smart goal for this month looks like, and I have planned myself professionally. I'll not be able to show you much, but this is just a flashy one. So I had my plans on work planner. This month has been really very important on 9 to 5 employees, whether it's in a performance appraisal or a KRA update or a tax planning session. So I had a team lunch also for Mumbai and Chennai team, as we are all work from home currently. So yes, it was eat your own food at your home, घर पे रहें और घर पे खाएं. And yes, I am also focusing on my side hustle, as I recently started my YouTube channel in the last week. So this is how my planner looks like for content which I plan. So I plan to shoot on Fridays and Sundays, and I make content from Monday to Wednesday, and that is on day basis. I shoot from 9 to 1, because morning hours are the best time where you can shoot more and light is really good. So these are the few topics which I am currently working. These are not the overall, but these are just a small one which I have noted, because these were the urgent one. How I plan my day, my April, some book review which I have been reading on. I am reading really interesting one. I will be showing to you in the upcoming videos. Also, I'm covering up a lifestyle video on a leading brand, and yes, I do not have any paid content or something like that. This is just my reviews. Also, I'm working on Instagram, which is a new technology to me. I'm planning to release almost 20 reels by upcoming months. Also, I am learning about a very important word, which is procrastination, and I am creating a newsletter plus a video on how to procrastination less and work more. And plus the money talk, I am also working on the journal part of my funds, money and SIP and many more. So this is how my OneNote and my technology part looks like. So once again, let's go back to my journalizing, which is the actual topic for the day. As I was talking about, I am planning my April spring planning sessions. So I believe in following the word SMART goals a lot. SMART goal means nothing much but specific, measurable, attainable, relevant and time bound goal. I focus a lot on planning myself on yearly, quarterly and weekly basis. That helps me a lot in professional as well as my side hustles and my personal growth. I also write my challenges, that what am I planning to do and what were my misses for the month. Also, my day starts with 9 to 5 employee. Also, nowadays I am planning and working on my side hustle, that is YouTube blogging. So today let's get started. This is the journal which I have been following since almost a year now, and this is my April vision board. So this is how it looks like, that I have been making up on short goals plus long goals, and my short goals consist of those goals which I want to work on week, or I want to work for a day. And yes, that consists of my professional as well as personal front. And yes, I believe in visualizing my goals a lot on the basis of quarterly as well as monthly one. And today I will be talking all about my 5 ways of planning myself. And yes, these 5 steps are really very helpful for people who are planning to plan themselves better. And yes, I am sure this will be really fruitful for their first thing. I believe on working on my professional planning, my side hustle planning, and I also believe in time blocking tools. I will also talk all about time blocking tools that will really help you a lot. Plus, when I'm closing my day, I make sure that I follow the process of review and close tasks. I have planned all these things on a schedule of 35 minutes a day. I make sure that I sit with my journal for at least 35 minutes a day so that I can plan myself better. So, this is how my things look like. I am working on my side hustle today. That is, I want to create more reels on Instagram. I want to know what is IGTV all about. Also, I'm planning to post on my Instagram page that what are the different things I can work on. Plus, the training which I have been working on my side hustle is Filmora, Cutpro, and plus on professional side I want to learn on the OKR part and the SOP planning. I just need a brush up on that part. Plus, I am working on my monthly tracker. I make sure that I go back on the last month for sure. Why? Because that helped me with an understanding that yes, where am I sitting and how will be my next upcoming month for sure will be. Also, I believe in making short goals which are achievable. Please make sure that you do not do multitasking once at a time. Make sure that you are planning at least one goal or at least max to max 3 goals for yourself, because if you do multiple tasks in one go, I am sure that none of them will be giving you a result. Also, these are my short goals for the upcoming weeks. I am planning to do an edit session on Thursday and Saturday so that I can go a better reel off on Saturday night. Plus, I am working really hard on my health, being have working on my thyroid part. Also, I need to work on my travel part. That is, I need to buy myself a new biking footwear, which is really very important if you're planning a long ride. Also, I really believe in that you should work on planning yourself better. That means that you should pick up things which are giving you a hit, that is you're planning and you're working on the negative part. I mean to say, when you're procrastinating a lot, lots of people say that procrastination is all about negative thoughts. So I believe that you should believe on habit process. It really works on help you to understand that what are your procrastination parts and how are you planning to work on it, and make sure you write it down. Throw up all your negative thoughts so that you can plan up yourself better. Also, I believe myself that I can plan on a better note. So this is my habit tracker because I have been lately procrastinating a lot. So I have closed it on 8 parts. I have turned them down in 7 days mode, that I will be coloring each day that how my mood was there. The worst will be going in black color. That is really very sad. So these are my smart goal for the upcoming month, that is health, career, family, and obviously learning. I make sure that I keep a track on all these parts, and yes, these are my smart goal for the upcoming month. And make sure while you're planning yourself, the first step is why you want to plan yourself. What is your goal? Always have a why, because without a why you will never have a better opportunity in hand. Also, I make sure that if I have a shoot or a work upcoming up, I will make sure that I will plan and split my work so that I can do a better thing. And plus, let's get started with the other parts of blogging. Please make sure that you follow a new updated work purpose which I have been working on. I'm testing on a new part which is called 13 weeks tracker. 13 weeks tracker is nothing that I will give myself certain tasks on quarterly basis, means 3 months, and then I will be planning to stick it out that what are the achievements and what I have learned from myself. Also, I believe on a shutdown roster. Shutdown roster is nothing but a time in 1 hour a week which I give, where I do an analysis that what is my weekly achievement and what is my weekly failure. Yes, I strongly believe in putting up myself on weekly failure mode also, so that I can plan myself on a better note. Plus, these are my I also plan myself on my early tasks, and I make sure that I am prepared for my early work also. My day starts at 9 o'clock every day, so I make sure that I plan myself better. Also today I am using Microsoft Teams, which I will be showing you from here onwards, that how do I use OneNote, which is a part of Microsoft Teams, and you can plan yourself better. And please make sure that you share your views, that how was the video, and did you what how are your plans to make up yourself better. Do you follow journalizing, or you are a technology person? I am awaiting for your comment section. Let me know.